friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you primary and secondary colors. So let's start. I have 1, 2, 3 bowls of water, and I have yellow, blue, and red food color and popsicle stick. I am going to put the yellow food color in this bowl. Let's put the blue food color in this bowl. And the last food color, let's put it in this bowl. Then we are going to mix the food color with the popsicle sticks. Now we have 3 primary colors: red, blue, and yellow. From these 3 primary colors, we are going to make secondary color. Let's start with the red. Can you guess what color it will be if I mix red and blue together? It turned purple. Let me show you a close-up. See, it's purple. I am going to test this on a white paper towel to show you the color. I am going to mix yellow and blue together to see what color it makes. It turned green. There is only 2 colors left to mix. If I mix yellow with red, what color do you think it will be? It turned orange! Today we learned the 3 primary colors are red, blue, and yellow. And the 3 secondary colors are green, orange, purple. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe buttons. See you next time. Bye.